Imagine standing in a giant dome in Paris, 1851. Thousands are gathered, staring at a 62-pound brass ball swinging from a wire. It looks like a clock, but it's not counting hours. It's proving that the very ground you're standing on is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour. This is the Foucault Pendulum, the simplest and most mind-bending proof of Earth's rotation. Here's the trick. A pendulum wants to keep swinging in the exact same direction forever. Newton's first law, right?
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Set this up at the North Pole. The pendulum stays put in space, but the Earth literally turns under it. To someone standing on the ground, it looks like the pendulum is slowly turning in a circle. But spoiler alert, the pendulum isn't moving, you are. This happens because of the Coriolis Effect. Think of a merry-go-round. If you try to throw a ball straight to a friend across from you while it's spinning, the ball seems to curve away. On Earth, this same force dictates everything from the direction of hurricanes to why this pendulum seems to drift over time. According to NASA, this is the most direct way to see our planet spin without leaving the atmosphere. No, it's not the same everywhere. At the poles, it takes 24 hours to do a full circle. But in Paris, where Léon Foucault first showed this off, it takes about 32 hours. And at the equator, it doesn't rotate at all. It's all down to the angle of the Earth's surface relative to its axis. Math can be a bit of a party pooper, but in this case, it's the secret code of the cosmos. Today, these pendulums are in museums everywhere, silently drawing the proof of our cosmic dance. It's a reminder that even when things feel perfectly still, we are all hurtling through space on a giant, beautiful marble. So, next time you feel a bit dizzy, maybe it's just the Earth doing its thing. If you could set up a giant pendulum anywhere in the world, where would you put it and why? Let me know in the comments below.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.